what we needed was some ground truth data to figure out how accurate these assessments are. And that's what this NR206 class has done by going out and getting inventory data for us, so that when we take these final maps of percent basal area that have been refined, we can look and load up their plots and see how well our mapping is working. And this is really critical, because without that accuracy assessment, this is nothing more than a pretty picture.
This is all sort of advanced remote sensing based, and we're doing a lot of this with remote sensing, but the field data is still very vital, and we still really need it to calibrate and validate what we're doing. And being able to tie that sort of field research to the broader community and of its importance, and why things like forest change over time matter to them.
Shift. Some species may outcompete others. We just might see real redistribution of species. And so the question is, have we already been seeing that? And the nice thing about satellite imagery is you can go back in time, because the satellites have been up there collecting data since the early 80s. And if we can accurately map the species, we can then track their changes over time. The VMC really is all about sort of bringing together all sorts of different environmental professionals, so forest managers from the state and researchers from the U.S. Forest Service, or outreach coordinators, with UVM, or so pulling all these different people together and all this different work together, so that we have sort of one place where the whole system, the forest is a whole system, we can have these data sets to integrate them. And so that's why, even though this is funded through NSRC, it really is a major component of what VMC is trying to do.